as I've mentioned before in my other videos, when I started this process, the certification process, and when I started interpreting, I felt sort of alone. I felt like I didn't have a lot of support. I didn't have too much knowledge about what this profession is. And so that's the reason that I agreed to do this channel, because I feel like sometimes we want to do something, but we don't have all the information. And so when we arrive at a crossroads, or we arrive at a certain part of the process, it feels like a lot. It can be very challenging. We can be discouraged. We feel like we're the only ones that are going through this. It might feel like you're the only one that feels like you can't do this, or this is too much, or maybe you made a mistake. So this video, as well as this channel, is for you to come back and know that, oh, hey, this is part of the process, and I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna get through this. I'm gonna succeed, and all of this is gonna be worth the effort. And that if this is the dream or the goal that you set out for yourself, you will accomplish it. And the bumps on the road will be there, but they're just bumps on the road. They're not full stops. So please come back, check out the other videos, and my goal is to share with you everything that I've gone through, so that it seems, when you come back to look at these videos, you're like, oh yeah, that's what I'm going through right now. And look, there she is, she's still doing it, and she's loving it, because I am. And if you ever come across somebody that has questions or is feeling this way, just send them my way. The channels are here for you. And as always, if I can do this, anybody can do this.